Hello guys and welcome back to TechWolf, and today we are going to learn how to use copy command, and I will be using some also commands which we have learned in previous videos. Let's go to our desktop and first thing let's open a command prompt, and to do that let's search for cmd and hit enter. Let's create a new file here on our desktop. As you know, currently we are in our users directory, and our users directory, for those who doesn't know, let's open a folder. Please go to this PC. All your files and all your folders are in this drive in Windows C. If you click into it, you will see here users folder, and here is our Marty directory. Let's click in and all my desktops, downloads and everything is in here, and this is exactly where we are located: C/users and Marty. I'm repeating this information as this is the tutorial for absolute beginners, so you have a visual understanding what and where we are exactly doing. And if I click here in address bar to the right, you will see this is the same path: C/users and Marty. So let's close this down, and this is where we are located: C drive /users and Marty, and we need to navigate to our desktop. And to navigate to our desktop we type in command cd or change directory and desktop and hit enter, and now we are also here on our desktop. And here on our desktop, if we want to create a new file, let's use one of the commands which we have learned previously. To create files we use the command echo and space and then dot and closing triangle bracket, and after this closing triangle bracket we can give a name to our file. I will call this file myfile.txt and hit enter. And you can see that new file appeared here on our desktop as we created myfile.txt. So to use a copy command to create a new file, all we need to do is in command prompt type in a command copy, then space, and then that file which you would like to copy. And in our scenario we want to copy file myfile.txt. So let's type in myfile.txt and then space and the new name for this file, because if you are copying the same file on the same location, the names of files can't be the same. So we need to give some other name to this file, and I will give a new name for this file, and I will call this file new file.txt. However, the contents of this new file will be exactly the same as this myfile.txt, as content is not changing. As with copy command, what we are doing, we are taking this myfile.txt, which is this file, and we are creating exactly the same copy, only with different name, which in our scenario is new file.txt. Hit enter, and you will see that one file is copied, and here new file.txt appeared on our desktop. But now let's do a following thing, and let's create a directory or new folder with our command line here on our desktop. And to do that, let's use another command which we have already learned, which is md or make a directory space, and let's give our folder a name, and I will call this folder my folder and hit enter, and this will create a new folder here on our desktop. And now, for example, if we would want to copy this file myfile.txt into this folder, we can also easily do it. Let's open this my folder so you can see what is happening here. And this is our my folder, and here is our desktop. We are currently on desktop, and from desktop we want to copy this file myfile.txt into this my folder which we just created here. So let's do it. Let's type again this my file. As you remember, the first we need to specify always that file or the path to that file which we would like to copy. So type in copy space, and first we are specifying the file which we would like to copy. Let's type in after the space only this file name, so myfile.txt and space, and after this space we are specifying where we want to copy this file, and like I mentioned, we want to copy it to my folder / and then we give exactly the same name as in this my folder. There is no name with this file myfile.txt, so I will also type in myfile.txt and hit enter, and as you can see, one file copied, and here in our folder another file appeared with name myfile.txt. So what we did here is by using a command copy, as we are located on desktop, we copied myfile.txt as first parameter which you need to give is the file which you are trying to copy or pass to the file which you are trying to copy. And second parameter is where you want to move this file and how you want to call this file. As we wanted to move this file to my folder, which is also located on our desktop, but firstly we needed to enter this folder, so we typed in my folder / and then you specify the name of the file, how you want to call this file which you are copying in new place, and we call this file also myfile.txt. And in next step I am going to create a new folder also within this my folder, and I will call that folder new folder. And to do this we will use again command md for make a directory, then space. As we are located on desktop, we need to specify that we want to create this new folder in this my folder. So type in name my folder / and the name of the folder which you would like to create. So I will create new folder and hit enter, and this will create a new folder, as you can see, in this my folders directory which is located on our desktop. And now also in this my folder which is located on desktop, I will create another file by using a command echo, as we want to create a new file, then space dot closing triangle bracket, and then we need to specify that we want to create this new file in my folder which is located on desktop. So I type in my folder, as we need to enter this my folder, then / and there I will create also a file first.txt and hit enter, and this will create another file, and on our desktop I will create another directory. So to make a directory in that path where we are in, let's type a command md make a directory, and I will create a new directory here, new directory. You can call this folder however you want. I just created and called it new directory and hit enter. And now, as you can see, a new folder has been created on our desktop. Then in next step, let's say that we want to copy all files from my folder, which is located here on our desktop and where we currently have one folder, and we have this first.txt and myfile.txt, and we want to copy all of them into the new directory which we have created. So to do that, let's open a command prompt, and in command prompt let's type in copy, and first parameter after space we need to specify what we want to copy. So we want to copy everything from my folder. As we are located on desktop, we type in my folder / and to copy everything from this my folder we need to type in an asterisk sign, which you can type in by clicking on shift on your keyboard and holding it down and clicking on number 8, as asterisk is always located above number 8 on your keyboard. Then type in dot and then another asterisk sign. So first parameter after copy is always from where you want to copy. Here we are specifying that we want to copy from my folder which is located on our desktop, as we are currently in our desktop, and with asterisk dot asterisk after the / we are specifying that we want to copy all files which are located in my folder. And second parameter is after space we need to specify where we want to move this, and we want to copy this to our new directory on our desktop. So also as we are already located in our desktop, we simply type in new directory and hit enter, and this will copy, as you can see, from my folder everything to new directory. And if we open now this new directory which is located on our desktop, you will see that it copied only files. So here you can see the problem with copy commands, that by using copy command you can copy only files, you can't copy directories. However, there is a stronger commands which allow you to copy all files and directories, which we will review in next tutorial.